How to make Netflix account. So if you want to make a Netflix account, it's very simple to do so. First of all, you can do this process from the app, but I would recommend that you open up your browser and then you have to just go to netflix.com, and this is the interface that you should be normally able to see right here, right? So I'll just open up an incognito tab just as to not to sync my other accounts in this case, and go to netflix.com. Now, when you go to netflix.com to create an account here, it will ask you to enter an email address. So you have to just go ahead and then make sure to type in the email address that you maybe want to use for your Netflix account. And you have to also make sure that you have got access to this email. And then just hit the get started button. It will ask you to finish setting up your account. So just hit the next option. It will ask you to also create a password. So let me go ahead and then create a password as well. Once you've created the password, what we have to do is tap on this option that says next. And then when we tap the next option, it will ask us to choose our plan. So I can tap the choose plan option. Now here I can simply choose a plan that's right for me. And once you explore with some of the various different price ranges that fits your needs and affordability, you can just scroll down and tap the next option again. Now just choose a payment method like a credit or debit card. Then enter your payment details and tap on start membership. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap on start membership, and then you would have successfully created your Netflix account. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.